This lamp is so charming. I love it so much. I just think it is darling. So these are actual real dried plants. There are different leaves and flowers, and they have this little protective mesh over them so that they're not exposed. They won't break or anything. And there's just so much beautiful color and detail to this lampshade. I think it is very well done and nice quality. It includes a light bulb, which I think is a really nice touch, and it's very easy to assemble. You just loosen this, put the shade in place, and then put this back. And if you tighten it all the way, it keeps this little shade very, very sturdy. And then you just finish with the bulb. The base is made of real wood, which I also really like. It has a standard plug, and then on the cord, it also has a switch, which makes it much easier to turn on and off. And this is what it looks like lit up. But yeah, I just think that this lamp is so cute. It would be really precious in a little girl's bedroom. It's really great if you only have a small nightstand and need a very small lamp. Or it's even small enough that you could use it on your kitchen counter or on your desk. It's definitely very well made, and I think you're really gonna like it.